How to delete a WhatsApp channel. In previous video, I show you how to create WhatsApp channels, and now in this step-by-step guide, I'll guide you how to delete our own WhatsApp channel. Before that, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks in advance. Let's get started. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then navigate to the Updates tab. Find and tap on the channels that you want to delete. Now tap on this three dot on the right corner. Next, tap on the channel info. Now on the bottom, you'll find the delete channel option. What you need to do is to tap on the delete channel and then click delete. But keep in mind that once you click on delete, your channel will be permanently deleted, and you won't be able to recover the channel again. Now confirm your action by entering your phone number. Once you've done, tap on delete. That's it. You already delete your WhatsApp channel. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.